Hey guys, I have a special guest, but he doesn't want. She's shy. She doesn't want to. I'll just give you a sneak peek. So we are gonna be eating this and this, but she's only gonna show you her hand. So that okay, hand lang. Okay, so we're gonna be squeezing some of this with this. Okay, who goes first?
Okay.
Why me? Why?
Babies first.
My God. Okay.
Younger first.
So, wait. Got my Pringle. And then, which one should I do?
Apple. Dayman po, me.
Apple. My God.
Talagang nag-withdraw lang.
It's gonna be so sour.
Ay, tapos nagsaod, mami. Grabe, so nervous ni mama. Oo, as in, nangirinig siya bang kasaod.
Oh, that is so...
Ang tig-saod mi man lang, ani, mami, ano man lang.
Look at that, guys. This is gonna be so
Ang
sour.
tig-saod mi man lang, so fish. So, ano nga, tapos gusto niya pa ako ito mag-video. Kaya nalawig, may meeting ano akong 10.
Oh, kabali pa lang kayo sa meeting nila, mami.
Oo.
Pero di naman kayo naka-meeting. Hindi ka naman nakabali.
Nakabali tabi ako.
Show your hand.
Oh, wait.
No, but it's okay. Should I do it? It's gonna
Sararoan.
be sour.
Sararoan.
No!
Nahulog ang tanon din. Hindi mo paggamitan, sa duman mo na gamitan. Ay, gusto mo combination na din kabus. Ito yung sararoan.
No!
Matapon ha. Ang bed nyo mga anuhan.
You first.
Ay, don't
Kagat
like.
ka lang.
Ano?
Yung marining sauce.
Oh, ano? Baka kita. Oh. Oh, ini lang sa ko. Oh, sabay.
Joke.
Cheers. Cheers. Oh, go.
Oh. Guys, I do not recommend. It's so bad, but we're gonna do a part 2, so don't stop praying.